Hello, I have a mixed haul, and let's see, where's that from? Lowe's, the Thrifts down at the beach, and Salvation Army. I have some Dollar Tree, and I have my pumpkins I've finished. So it's sort of a mixed bag. This I got at the Senior Thrift in Shores. These are excellent. I had one before, and I wore it out. So $5 on this. I have a vacuum too, which is also good, but that one was defective. I'm getting a brand new one. Because bugs are no joke here. We get mosquito bites that are just terrible. And let's see, that was at, Senior Thrift. I got a couple books, but I left them as risers down at the beach. And I got these at my honey hole down at the Fish Shack. I also got a 1904 storybook from him, but it's down at the beach in part of my display. I use them as risers. Got some kind of cool vintage books to use as risers because I didn't want new ones. So these are just, I don't know, that's kind of cool. There's no dates on these, right? I don't think so. They look old.
That looks cool.
Yeah, he said he had a whole bucket full of these. He said his mom started collecting them, and then he started collecting them. They are neat. So I got those two beauties. I'll put them here. And that's all I got from him. Then I got this at, Anchor Thrift in Shores. The new timers that they make that are like this are terrible. They're all plastic. We had one that I used for my UV light to cure out my resin, and it just crumbled. It was such horrible cheap plastic. Just from using it, the plastic just crumbled.
Yeah.
So
And it cost $20.
And it was $20. Yeah, this one's $2.99. So
hopefully this is a
so this is my
one
backup. I have one, a vintage one that's working now, but this is just a backup. So yay.
Well, that vintage one will work forever.
Yeah, hopefully. And then this is just a CD of Sexy Phone Guy. I don't know when this is from. Oh, 1988. Gee. Huh. Got that. And then I got this Bangle down there. It's just a Monet. I think it's marked. Where did I see it? It's got a mark in here somewhere. The heck is it? It's hard to see it now. Anyway, there's a mark in there that it's Monet, and it was $1. And then I got this one. This one's really neat. It's Sweet Lola. Never heard of it. And it was $2.99 half price. Yellow tags were half price. But it's kind of neat. You just put it on like this, and then it's got a magnet, which is nice. I appreciate the magnet. That's kind of cool. If I can get it off. There we go. So, and it's leather. It's just leather. So it's sort of nice. And then I just got this. Was $2.99. It's just a thing for my jewelry and earrings and stuff to wrangle them. I'm trying to redo my jewelry. It's a mess. Hopefully that will help. Then I went to Salvation Army today. Certain things were half price. I don't remember what. This one was not. It was before August 17th or something.
Right.
So this was $2.99. It's a nice wood tiki. I don't know how old he is. Let me see if there's a mark. No mark. But he's pretty good. Yeah, I don't know where he's from. If he's like a thing from Home Goods or if he's real. I don't know. He's kind of nice though. And I got this I was looking at this purse last week, but now it was only half price, so it was $2.50, and it's a Tianello leather, just a leather purse. And it's got a mark in there. It's like it's brand new, and well, it's got some pen marks, but it feels pretty good. So, just a plain black purse, leather. And then this has never been opened. This is an H&M. Just a palette, eyeshadow palette, and it was $1.99. There's the original price. bed anytime. There. And I just got these because they were only 50 cents a bag. They're just, you know, we always need wood stuff. You know, you never know when you're going to need some.
Show them that thing I made yesterday too.
Oh, I will. Okay.
I'll do it at the end.
At the end, the table came out so nice. I'll put some pictures of it in place at the beach. And I have a kitchen table there that at the end I've got a speaker and a fan and a power strip that needs wrangling. So he made a little riser shelf for me, and so we'll show that at the end. Came out really nice.
Out of that old wood.
Yeah, out of that old fence I got. So that's really nice wood. And we worked so much in that yard, we didn't have time to do a fire. So we got a lot of wood to burn down there. Oh, this is for his band. That he wore the band. We don't know if it helped or not.
It's just little
It's
citronella
just a
things.
little wax thing that goes in a band he wears, but neither one of us got bit, and we were thrashing around in the brush back there, cutting blackberries. It was so fun. This I need down at the beach. This was only 99 cents. These are the very, very best hooks for your shower. The other ones misbehave. But these, they'll move freely, they're nice, so I'm going to put these in down at the beach too, because I have them at home. What else do I have here? Let me wrap something up here, I don't want to lose it. This is just a jacket I got. Long sleeve jacket to wear down there at the beach. You know, it feels like it's brand new. Maybe not. Okay, that's nothing. And this was $2.99. I have another one down in the bathroom at the beach. It's I don't know, can you see it?
Yeah, it's a little
It's got a little jellyfish in there. The one we have down at the beach that I got from Home Goods, at night it kind of glows in the dark.
All right.
Because I have it next to a lighted wax melt, so I guess it gets charged up.
I don't know what this
I don't know either, but it'll go with the other one, so it's pretty. I got a Michael Kors, just a sweater. Zip front, oversized big sweater. Yeah, Michael Kors. That was $2.25. And I think that other thing was $2 something. Just to wear. And this is really nice. This was $7.99, which is a lot for the thrifts. But I've been seeing these cutting boards at Home Goods and Marshall's, and well, you can't really find them at Marshall's. Oh, it's got bark on it. I have a small one. This is nice. So I might keep this one here and take the other one down the beach. So $7.99. It's just, I think this is that acacia wood stuff. Yeah, I think it's nice. It's very pretty. You could also use it as a serving board if you wanted to, or cut on it, whatnot. My favorite thing I got
At Senior Thrift.
at Senior Thrift. I love these. I love these monkey pictures. It's just some kind of throwback I have. This is gonna go proudly
It's so
on
hilarious.
my bar. It's hilarious. Look, he's making drinks. He's having a ball. And he's got his bow tie on.
Boy, this
You know, the
one-
nuances are very subtle in these.
Yeah.
And it says, boy, this one will kill him.
Yeah.
It's hilarious, right?
Yeah, that's funny.
Used to be able to get monkey greeting cards all the time, which
Yeah.
I always tried to get, but now they're getting scarce, which is sad because
It's too bad.
the upcoming generations need to learn how nice this is.
Carry on this tradition.
It's wonderful. Awesome. Very happy to get that. I think it was $1. And these things are dog toys from the dollar store.
Dollar store. No,
They don't care. My dogs don't care about toys.
they're cool though.
Yeah, I put them in my house. Oh, she is kind of caring. Yeah. This one's it looks like a Furby.
Furby monster.
There, see, he goes. You like it? You can't have it. And then this one kind of looks like that monster from Bugs Bunny. You know, that wore the tennis shoes, kind of. Yeah. He's sort of neat. Yeah. So he's cool. They're cute. I put them with my Haunted Toy Factory. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I won't let him hurt me. And then these are my Dollar Tree pumpkins that I did. I just cut their features. It's mostly circles out of felt, just regular old felt, and glued it on with white glue. But I like them. And there's white ones. I have 4 white ones. So you just do any old kind of face you want. These were copies of my Christmas critters I made.
I like this
This one's Mr. Retros likes this one. He's got some fuzz on him. That one's nice. He's
The green one's
horrified.
good too.
This is the one he likes. Yeah. Yeah. So then I went to found these white ones. Then I went to Aberdeen Dollar Store. They had 2 of these and one was falling apart. The green one. See, this one could pop out. The green one's kind of neat. And then they had the orange ones. They didn't have any white ones, so I got 1 orange one. The orange one I actually kind of like. Because I've been down on orange for years, but I'm kind of liking this guy. And so I use them on risers, and I kind of display them that way. They're kind of cute. So that's what I've got. Oh, this. This is awesome.
From Lowe's.
This is from Lowe's. Let me see. It's a thing you're supposed to be able to put your pumpkin on. I saw this online. But it's like blow mold stuff. I thought it was some resin stuff, but it's better. It's just blow mold from Lowe's, and it was $14.99. And I think they have a ghost.
And the pumpkin was extra, you know.
And what was the other critter they had? Like a
Ghost. They had a
it
ghost.
was a ghost, and then something else, some other
I don't know.
thing. I don't know what it was. It's not that cool. And then you buy you buy your pumpkin, whatever kind of pumpkin you want. He got this guy.
I like this one.
Yeah, and it's real cute.
It's
you
lighted.
see, it's got a little light, and we just plug it in. I plug him in. You might not be able to see it. Let's see. I didn't get it plugged in there.
There it
Oh,
is.
there you go.
Yeah.
You can kind of see it. But he's cute. He's cute, really cute. So, our Home Depot doesn't even have their Halloween stuff out, but it looks like they have some cute things this year too. Not that we'll ever see them in our Home Depots, but maybe in Aberdeen. I don't know. So, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. I'm back. I almost forgot to show you the little riser upright he made. I'm going to paint, I just distressed these to try to match. This is where he had to cut the boards. And so I just slap a little antiquing stuff I make and just put this on these cut edges, but this will house my stuff. Yeah,
I had to put braces inside.
Yeah, so there's braces in there.
If you'd have made a box with a bottom, you wouldn't have to, but it's so, you have to have something to stabilize.
Did you use those
biscuits? I use biscuits on the side, but still, it's not strong enough, you know.
He joined them with his biscuit joiner.
These are just
Pretty
nailed.
good. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my little Marshall speaker. I have a little fan and stuff, and then I can hide my power strip back behind there. So it's a good thing.
Yeah, but the
And
wood
I'll
is
be
really.
installing it
So you can see
next
it.
time I go down.
This is just
Yeah.
crummy old wood from outside
Yeah.
on a fence.
Yep.
So,
So it matches my costume.
right? Yeah.
So
You could put it on your cup. Well,
it's too big. So that's what I've got, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.